Political showdown escalates the day after violence in Bhabanipur. A BJP delegation comprising senior leaders Bhupendra Yadav, Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Anurag Thakur and Om Pathak will meet poll panel in Delhi shortly. India Today has learned that BJP delegation will reiterate its demand for free and fair elections in Bhabanipur on Thursday. They will also seek imposition of prohibitory orders under Section 144 of CRPC that prohibits gathering of 5 or more people. Last evening, a BJP delegation had met poll panel in Kolkata, raised similar demands. The Saffron Party also urged the Election Commission to ensure that central forces are present inside the booths on the day of polling. Remember, BJP has alleged that party's National Vice President Dilip Ghosh was manhandled while campaigning in Bhabanipur on Tuesday. The TMC, however, called it a spontaneous anger of people. Prema Rajaram is now joining us for the latest. Prema, walk our viewers through the Bhabanipur showdown. At least one clarity is that the by-polls are going to be taking place as scheduled.
So the by-polls will take place on the 30th of September. That is what the Calcutta High Court has said today. When they were hearing a PIL and the judgment was passed today. Apart from that, after what has happened yesterday in Bhabanipur, the clashes between the TMC and BJP workers, and apart from that, the attack on Dilip Ghosh, the BJP has now asked the Election Commission for various aspects to be thought of when it comes to the polls. One being that Section 144 should be imposed in Bhabanipur on the day of polling. Apart from that, there should be central armed officers, central armed police inside the polling booths on election day. So the BJP here trying to make their point clear, especially after the attack on Dilip Ghosh. And Dilip Ghosh is in Delhi at the moment, meeting the central leadership over the attack, of course, and other issues, and the BJP not taking this lying down, and apart from that also not making it a cakewalk for West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Back to Jyoti.
All right.